This design captures the essence of minimalist architecture, where the rawness of concrete is seamlessly integrated with the surrounding natural beauty. The concrete structure is softened by warm wood elements and complemented by expansive views of the landscape, creating a peaceful retreat that connects the indoors with nature. The interior of the house embraces a minimalist aesthetic, with open, airy spaces and a neutral color palette that highlights the beauty of natural materials. Concrete walls and ceilings provide a bold backdrop, while wood accents and furnishings add warmth and texture. Large windows allow for abundant natural light, enhancing the sense of connection to the outdoors. The facade of the house features a striking minimalist design with raw concrete walls that exude modernity and strength. Large windows are strategically placed to frame scenic views, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The clean lines are softened with warm wood accents, adding texture and warmth. The combination of concrete, glass, and wood creates a balanced and harmonious exterior, blending contemporary architecture with its natural surroundings. The indoor living space is an open-plan area designed for comfort and connection. The living room, dining area, and kitchen flow seamlessly into one another, creating a unified space perfect for family gatherings. Concrete walls and floors provide a sleek, modern foundation, while warm wood details add a cozy contrast. Large windows bring in natural light, enhancing the spacious feel and offering views of the surrounding nature. The layout prioritizes both functionality and style, offering a calm, minimalist atmosphere for everyday living. The floor plan this house is designed to optimize both functionality and comfort, offering ample space for a large family while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. The home features 2 levels, with 6 suites on the first floor and 3 suites on the ground floor, ensuring privacy and comfort for all family members. The ground floor houses the main social area, including an expansive living room, dining room, and kitchen, all seamlessly integrated to encourage family interaction. This open-plan space is bathed in natural light from large windows, connecting the interior with the outdoors. The layout also includes a cozy TV area perfect for relaxation. A key feature of the floor plan is the strategic positioning of rooms to maximize views of the surrounding landscape, with the first floor bedrooms overlooking the national park. The design prioritizes simplicity, ease of movement, and a strong connection to nature. The outdoor living space is a serene extension of the home, designed to blend with the natural surroundings. A shaded eucalyptus pergola offers a comfortable retreat, while a natural stone pool invites relaxation and refreshment. The landscape is thoughtfully curated to enhance the home's minimalist aesthetic, with lush greenery that contrasts beautifully against the raw concrete. The open space encourages outdoor activities and fosters a strong connection to nature, with views that stretch toward the expansive beauty of the surrounding parkland. The house is a masterful blend of minimalist architecture and nature, where the raw beauty of concrete meets the warmth of wood and the tranquility of the outdoors. Its design prioritizes open, functional spaces that foster family connection while seamlessly integrating with the natural landscape. From the spacious living areas to the serene outdoor retreats, every aspect of the house reflects a thoughtful balance between modernity and nature, creating a peaceful sanctuary for those who seek simplicity and beauty in their everyday surroundings.